Welcome to Slooh This Week on May 13th, 2024. Coming up, what's new at Slooh, what's up this week, and our student spotlight. So, what's new at Slooh? We are pleased to launch a new series of star parties, kicking off with a series of 3 sun-themed events. In the first episode, which aired on Saturday, students and members learned about the solar features they can capture using the Slooh Solar Telescope. In the next episode, we'll learn about the solar features and events that we can't see with Slooh's telescopes. Now, some of those pose a threat to our satellites and our power and communications infrastructure when Earth is bombarded by high-energy particles released from the Sun. We'll learn about these events and their potential threat in episode 3. But it won't be all doom and gloom. Some of that solar activity is also responsible for one of the most beautiful and ethereal sights we can witness in the night sky, the aurora. Now, don't forget, you can watch all of our star parties on demand. Just go to Community, then Star Parties, and browse the various categories. Let's take a look at what's up this week. Let's start with the moon, which commences the week as a waxing crescent phase. We have first quarter on Tuesday night, so don't miss the opportunity to capture this one night only phase if you're doing the Lunar Phases quest. The week ends with a waxing gibbous moon. What about the planets this week? Well, Saturn, Mars and Neptune are getting higher and higher in our pre-dawn skies. Your images are going to get better and better. The other planets are too close to the Sun to observe, but the dwarf planet Pluto is visible. With mixed levels of moonlight this week, just ensure that you don't schedule missions to fainter objects when the moon is above the horizon. Otherwise your images will be a bit noisy. Now it's time for our student spotlight. With the high levels of solar activity we're seeing at present in the Canary Islands Solar Telescope, a lot of students are taking the opportunity to finish some of our sun-related quest learning activities. This poster from the Our Radiant Star Quest by Crystal C from Chabot College caught my eye. Crystal's analysis of their images is both creative and scientifically sound. I particularly enjoyed the initial analysis. There she is, glistening like fiery flames engulfed in hydrogen. Canary 5 was able to help capture my first image of the Sun. The surface of this beauty is constantly changing, which is why, even if both images were captured minutes apart, there would be changes to the surface. Well, Crystal, thank you for sharing your work. Some special gravity points will be heading your way. Now don't forget, if you'd like to be featured in our student spotlight, share your own observations or quest posters with the community. That wraps it up for this week. Until next time, clear skies everyone.